Hi guys, this is Thorsten. I'm the founder from Vispr, and so many people have asked to give them a walkthrough of the plugin, so that I'm going to quickly jump into the tool and show you way around. So let us quickly start here on the website to explain what Vispr is and why you would want to use it. So basically, Vispr is a do-follow backlinks exchange network to help you solve SEO for your WordPress website, especially for newbies, people that never done anything with SEO, don't have the time, the budget, or another way around where to start with. There's two parts of SEO that are super important. The first is on-site SEO, which you would be doing with other WordPress plugins like Yoast, Sniply, all-in-one SEO, stuff like that, Rank Moth, right? And these plugins help you optimize your blog posts and your web pages to have the right keywords and to structure the text to be found on Google search. But the second part of SEO, and also one of the most important parts, is getting backlinks. And building backlinks is just a pain in the peep ass, right? It's super time consuming. It's really a time suck. You need to spend a lot of time reaching out to partners, first actually to Google them, then reaching out and getting in 95% no results, no feedback, nothing at all for the time, the money that you're spending there. All your resources basically wasted. So what we are doing is we have been developing a solution, a plugin that taps right into WordPress, that creates a partner directory for you, and it will fill the backlinks and find the partners on autopilot. What does that even mean? It means that the people that are signing up to Vispr will be using the plugin on their websites, and we will interlink and exchange the backlinks with these partners, which means they are linking back to you and you are linking out to them. There's also no cheating. We made sure that we have security measures that if you want to cheat and do not want to link back to other people, that you will not be listed anywhere in the network. So you will not get the SEO love that you want to have. So this is a 100% guarantee that you will get backlinks if you play this with us straight, correctly. Yeah. If you're using this, setting it up like it is intended to, then it will work for you. Now, what's super important here to know is that you need to have backlinks in your niche, in your industry. It does not make any sense for you to get backlinks from a page that does not even relate to what you are saying on your website. Let me quickly show you in the setup what this means and what we did to make sure this does not happen. So this is basically a website that I'm using to test the new versions of the plugin. And this is a newbie membership, which means it's the smallest membership that you can have with the least features. So I don't have access to domain authority or spam score filters with this plan I'm using right here. This is the setup page, and people that have been using Vispr before will immediately see that there's something missing. Because in the last version, we kicked out the opportunity to filter by main category and filter by language. So why did we do that? We noticed that some of the people tried to game the system. And even though they were set up for, let's say, family and a pet store, they were trying to gain more backlinks by filtering by a different main category that had more people in it, like business solutions, for example, where a lot of our agency customers are there. This does not make any sense at all, because if you're a pet store owner, you want to get backlinks from other family and animal related websites, right? Whether those are trainers or stores or whatever, but this does need to make sense in a contextual text-related way. Yeah, if you get backlinks from a Thai craft beer store, this will not help you. This can actually hurt your SEO. Yeah, so this will not rank you anymore. It will rather give you a bad footprint. Let's say it like this. So we removed the filters to make sure that in the original user profile that you're setting up here to give your listing data, we are using the category that you set up there. And we are able to control and check on this. So if we see you set up a wrong category for you and we think that you would get better matching with other partners in other categories, for example, in personal development, for business coaches or whatever, then we are able to set you up there and help you out. And the same with language. It does not make any sense that you get links from a German website, only have content in English. All right. So this is the reason why we remove that, to make sure that you cannot mess this up. It's automatically set to the right parameters. All right. So how does it look like? Basically, this is your reporting page. As you can see, the page is live. And you can also directly open your partner directory page on WordPress, which we are automatically creating for you. That means you don't have to set up anything. This is all done by the plugin. And as you can see, your statistics here, this page has a domain authority of 20 and 50 links in and 50 links out, right? This is important because this is unique to the newbie plan. You will still get links from your business category and not from just anyone. But it is limited to a maximum of 50 links in and 50 links out, okay? So what will happen if you try to mess around and rename the page, you rename the URL, remove the plugin or whatever you want to do, and this is going to be red. And it will show you, okay, you kind of messed up this thing and we are not linking out to anyone because this is going to ban you basically from participating in the network. So this is what your list of partners will look like for incoming and outgoing partners. And as you can see, you get the complete URL. You will see which subcategory they are in. So if there's something funny there, like this is all business solutions. If there is now a pets and family category here, that's, yeah, you can instantly flag this and report it to support, but this is not going to happen. You can also see the domain authority and the spam score of the people that you're linking out and which language the websites are supporting. So if you're going through this, you will see that there are some higher DA links and not only small new websites like this one right here. And for the spam score as well, there's usually nothing higher than 20 because we are going to block any website that has a higher spam score automatically without you having to do anything, even if you're in a newbie plan. So this is not a plan for spammers. Spammers will be shut out as the same as for everyone else, right? So let's just jump to another website that we're using for demo testing here. And this one has a business membership. So it will get a lot more links in and out. And as you can see here, it gets double links in than out. And why is this? This is related to the business plan ratio. We're using a daisy chain algorithm. Now, this is like kind of rocket science math to tell the plugin to give you more links incoming, then you have to get links out to other people. And this is a 1-to-2 ratio. In Pro Plan, you even get it better. You only are linking out to a third of the people that are linking in to you. With the Pro Plan, you also get the domain authority and spam score filters, which means you can say, okay, I only want to link out to the authority websites higher than 20, so it would not link out to this one. And this works in both directions, so I would not be able to link back to you anyway, right? And the same goes for spam score. On the spam score, you want to be as low as possible to get the highest quality of links. And with domain authority, you want to be as high as possible to get the highest level of domain authority linking back to you. Now, this is kind of what really authority sites are using, and they also have this filter, so no wonder that they might also be thinking, okay, why should I link out to a new website with a domain authority of 1 to 5? So they are most likely kicking you out of their lists anyway. But nevertheless, as you can see here in the partner links, there are also pretty big players in there, and it's not just a newbie game anymore. People are trying to get backlinks from all kinds of websites and all kinds of authority sites because it's so hard to do. Yeah, and Vispr is making it super, super easy for you to do it. Now, the same goes for the outgoing partner links. With the daisy chain, for people that don't know what this is, it comes from the IT server-side setup, which basically means it skips some partners to randomize your results, right? This is important for us because Google is looking for link chain footprints, like one-on-one linking sites to each other, which is called reciprocal links. And you will not find this on Vispr, not even in the UB plan. We are making sure that everyone has a completely unique list of partners, and no footprint is the same as any other website. So this is keeping you safe from this kind of detection methods. So the last thing that I want to show you is how does this even look like on your live front end in WordPress. So this is basically what it will look like. It's a neat directory page that we are creating here for you. And you can see all the links with the description and a screenshot. And yeah, nothing fancy here. It's just neat and works out of the box. So nothing to set up for you. It just install the plugin. It's like a 2-minute installation, and it just works for you out of the box. And it will work on autopilot because every new partner that comes to the network and fits your filter criteria will automatically be added to your network. So this keeps growing on autopilot for you while you're sleeping. All right, guys. So if you have any other question, if you want to know what you're getting, if you know more about the agency plan, because we have like 40% of agencies using this plugin to help rank their clients for Google search. Anything that you can help with, things that are not working, report the bugs. We're happy to, because we can only fix the bugs that we know about and make this work better for everyone involved. And yeah, just reach out to the email support@vispr.net. And I'm here to help you out and answer any questions that you might have. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and yeah, see you around.